Alright, solar documentary. So we are at the final phase of installing, yeah, I don't mind the green pool. We're in the final phase of installing the first string for our solar system. You could see we pulled the string line so we could make sure the edge line is straight. But as you could tell, it's a lot of work. It's a huge pain in the ass. And run into issues of painting yourself in the corner. You know, you try to make it super tight and super nice, and then you have nowhere to walk. So, yeah, if you're getting into solar, these are some of the problems that you may run into. Now, we hadn't even strung the wires in yet, and we're putting in a rapid shutdown system. And because it's on wood, we have to add an additional ground line. So that's going to be super fun. All right, more to come. We are done for the most part with the first string. Everything is wired in with the rapid shutdown module. And now I'm gonna try and connect it so we could do a test run tomorrow. Now, only the borders have been secured to the deck. These are still kind of just floating. So I'll take care of that tomorrow. All right, more to come.